Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to ServiceNow 911. In today's video, we are continuing the CMDB series and discussing what is a business process. So as per the definition you see here, a business process is a set of related steps used to achieve a business goal. So as an organization, as a department, we have a number of goals, right? And in order to accomplish such goals, we have to define the strategy. But that is on the paper generally, but when you comprehend that strategy into the CMDB, then we call it as a business process, and that business process has sequence of steps, and you have a way to manage it. You have a way to relate it with other goals so that a complete picture will be in front of you. In ServiceNow CMDB, a business process is a CI which is maintained manually, and you have the way to review its goal, review its accomplishment, review its issues, problems on monthly or quarterly basis or any time you want it to be. As it is a CI, it may have some parent CI. It means your business goal can have some bigger goal, okay? And collectively, all those goals together will provide a single goal, that is the organizational betterment. You can see all type of business goals here, the very business goals which you have in general, okay? Billing, payment, delivery, update and everything. So in ServiceNow CMDB there is a separate table which store the business processes, which is this table. Let me show you. So this is a demo, so I only have one business process here which I created just before this video. So let me open it. This is the complete picture of your business process, of your business goal. So this is your test business process, and these all are the related business processes which are associated with this particular CI or this particular business process. You have the way to add the parent, as we discussed. You may have bigger goals, and you see everything is maintained when you want to review it, okay? What is the next review date? You can update all these things in a very beautiful manner. You have the ownership tab here, you have the business impact tab here, okay? And you have the associated approvals as well as the related assets with this business process. So you see here, when you track all these things in a traditional way, how difficult it is. But in ServiceNow CMDB, in reality, you can consider all the business attributes and do your business process and achieve your goal. Okay, so this is it for today's video. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. Subscribe to the channel.